Tired of manually entering your bank details every time you want to use PayPal? I'm going to show you how to link your bank account to PayPal quickly and securely using Plaid, making online transactions smoother than ever. First, log into your PayPal account and navigate to the wallet section here. You'll find the option to link a bank. Go ahead and click that. You might be given multiple options, including linking manually, but for the fastest and most secure method, select Link with Plaid. Plaid is a trusted intermediary that securely connects your bank to PayPal. Now, you'll see a list of banks powered by Plaid. Select your bank from the list. If you don't see your bank, use the search bar at the top to find it. Plaid will redirect you to a secure login page for your bank. Enter your online banking username and password exactly as you would when logging in directly to your bank's website. After successfully logging in, Plaid will display a list of your accounts. Choose the bank account you want to link to your PayPal account. Review the selected account and confirm that it's correct. Then, click the Connect or Authorize button to grant PayPal access through Plaid. You'll be redirected back to PayPal, and your bank account should now be listed as a linked funding source in your wallet. That's it. You can now use your linked bank account for PayPal transactions with the added security and convenience of Plaid. Enjoy safer, faster, and more efficient online payments.